Oh yeah, yeah. Girl, you know you so damn fine. Why you like teasing me all the time? Why you acting like that pussy is not mine? You say I got to work for it this one time. Oh baby, I've been missing you and I. Oh yeah, I can't get you on my mind. Oh nah, I need you like one last time. Just stay with me and I'll be fine. I wanted you last night, baby, just go green light. I wanted more, cause I ain't getting no. You know I faint when you coming over, yeah. I've been waiting for you all day. Come inside of my bedroom. There's a meeting in my bedroom. Don't you come in here with no clothes on. I wanna see how God has blessed you. I'ma give him praise and tell him thank you. I wanna see what you work at with. Do you gotta sleep up, girl, as you a keep up? Pussy so good, come on mama, tell her I miss it. I'ma be right back and I'ma come give you this business, yeah. Yeah. Fuck you in the air, that's my favorite position. Go baby, go baby. I'ma throw this money on you like it's your birthday. I'ma give you something to remember, I love for a plate. Kissing on your lips and your neck and your stomach. I like when you tell me that you love it and you miss it. Pussy so pretty, make a real nigga kiss it. I said pussy so pretty, can a real nigga kiss it? I like you like that. I'm thankful for you, baby. I just wanted to let you know you deserve your round of applause. This is something I gotta tell you, yeah. You go, baby, you go. You go, baby, yeah. Shawty is a 10 from the ATL. Got a pretty little smile with a big ass booty. Where she get it from? She get it from her mama. Everybody in the city call her mama Miss Judy. Oh yeah, really gon' make a nigga spend some money. Oh yeah, she gon' really make a nigga just spend it money. There's a meeting in my bedroom. Don't you come in here with no clothes on. I wanna see how God has blessed you. I'ma give him praise and tell him thank you. There's a meeting in my bedroom, yeah. Oh, don't you come in here with no clothes on. I wanna see how God has blessed you. I'ma give him praise, tell him thank you.